This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay.Mitman. Exquisite lot with beautiful mountain views. The land is gently rolling, adjacent to open farmland. The last available lot of a 4-lot subdivision. Beautiful, Harmony Township location with easy access to highways for commuters to New York or Pennsylvania. This lot maintains the beauty of rural country living but the easy accessibility to shopping and services. For more information, review the details below or contact Clay.Mitman at 610-253-6123.